Okay, so now that we're looking at the machine and we're ready to start imaging, we have everything set up. We want to look up here to the top right of the keyboard where we see the power button. You don't have to press and hold, you just press the power button and it'll boot up, and once we start, it only takes about 28 seconds when we get to the imaging screen.
Okay.
And at that point now you're ready to do step 1, which is your patient information.
Okay.
And so when you pull that up, you're able to use the cursor and type in whatever you want. You can use the tab key to go between fields, and you can also use the trackball and the set key to be able to move it if you want to, click into one field versus the tab. Some people like the tab button, some people like the trackball and the set key.
Okay.
And from there, then go ahead and use the trackball and scroll down to the OK on the bottom of the screen.
And hit the set key?
Correct.
Okay.
Step 2 is you're going to select your probe in your exam preset. That's at the top of the keyboard.
Okay.
And you'll see that you have your 2 transducers plugged in, your curvilinear and your linear transducers, and you see that they each have exam presets listed underneath them. So by scrolling through and then using the set key, you can go ahead and pick one.
Okay.
And you can see that the system is very responsive. It switched from the curve to the linear very quickly.
Great.
And now you're imaging. And things that we're going to look at now are making slight adjustments of your image.
Okay.
And so we see right here that there is a menu on the left-hand side of the screen, and this rotary navigation key allows us to scroll through that menu, and when you press on one of the options, such as persistence, then you can adjust that number. And then to be able to scroll again, you press down on the rotary nav key and move back. And what that does is that it will change some of your image quality aspects on your image.
Okay. Great.